Now, how do you get rid of all this debris in the normal residential yard trash? The first thing I want to do is take some weight off of this massive back end by making some vertical cuts and some other cuts. Because if I just leave it and then go start cutting those long limbs on the other end, they could flip up and knock me into next week. The important thing also is I'm wearing my earplugs. Look how the outer sapwood just falls off of this piece because of the worm damage. Here's a worm falling off of it. So there are wormholes in here with active, live grubs of some sort. Look at that, pushing out, coming out of the wood. Isn't that amazing? That was cutting the trunk, and there's 3 or 4 of those. So this is what's been boring into the tree, probably what's been killing it. So I'm going to fast forward through some of this stuff, but I'm going to play some at normal speed just to show you some things that happen, like the saw binding up. Alright, not too bad. So this is the wormhole up here, but look, on the side where I pulled the bark away, there's wormholes under here. That is big and heavy. This isn't even half of it. There's a guy out in front of our house picking up logs and putting them in his vehicle to take them. It turns out a lot of people around here have fire pits or something. I talked to a few of them. But anyway, it's great. They're taking this stuff that the yard trash people won't take. After many days of cleanup, wondering if I should pay somebody to do it, it actually starts to look doable. Finally finished cleaning up and even raking the community field, getting out of everybody's way. And now I just have one puzzle to solve where I have a lot of weight on this one branch I need to cut. Lift this up a little bit. It's extremely heavy. I saw it move. Okay, now I've got a big notch. Look at that. side. Or I can make something out of this. A cartoon character, maybe with a big head. And now I just have a few pieces of big chunky trunk that are in nobody's way that I can just deal with later. And I kept a few cool shaped pieces of wood that I could try sealing or making something out of. So far it's not going very well because they're cracking and everything right away, but I'm saving some pieces to see if I can do something. I even split some lengthwise, but the main thing is I got that tree out of here before hurricane season and it's all cleaned up and done.